My government is implementing comprehensive educational reforms from the elementary level to higher education to strengthen the foundation of our society. We have organized the country's first mega parent-teacher meeting, fostering community engagement. We have redesigned Dokka Sitamma Madhyana Badi Bhojanam midday meal program to provide nutritious food to students. The Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Vidyarthi Mitra program will provide essential educational materials to 35.94 lakh students. We are modernizing infrastructure through initiatives like Mana Badi Mana Bhavishyatu. We have introduced global standard reforms in higher education, ensuring our curriculum aligns with the rapidly changing technological landscape both nationally and globally. In line with these reforms, we have recently appointed vice chancellors to 9 universities purely on merit, following established procedures to streamline higher education, bringing in fresh perspectives and leadership to drive excellence. Andhra Pradesh is undergoing significant demographic transitions which include a steep decline in the total fertility rate, a rapidly aging population, and the erosion of traditional joint family systems, each with far-reaching implications. The government is committed to handling the cascading effects of a shrinking workforce, aging population, and changing family dynamics by launching a policy on demographic management. We have already scrapped the two-child norm for contesting local body polls. Additionally, in line with our assurances, we are going to implement Talliki Vandanam, providing financial support to mothers so that the education of the children doesn't become a burden to the family. Guided by a forward-looking vision and targeted initiatives, Andhra Pradesh is advancing human resource development and effective population management, laying the foundation for sustained economic growth. Now about employment and skilling. Education and skill enhancement are at the heart of Andhra Pradesh development strategy. The state is conducting a first-of-its-kind skill census to map the skills of its population with local requirements, focusing on both offline and online upgradation of skills. Our government's holistic approach to develop is to provide a strong foundation for employment generation, focusing on one family, one entrepreneur. The people of Andhra Pradesh have always embraced self-satisfying work, valuing procuring 161 citizen services. This has set a national benchmark for digital governance, reducing litter and ensuring clearer public spaces while encouraging citizens to adopt environmentally conscious practices. The state has made significant strides in sanitation, declaring 15,948 villages as ODF plus and ensuring 70% of the villages have implemented door-to-door garbage collection. Additionally, 7,559 solid waste processing centers are operational, while plans for 40,000 soak pits and 20 lakh household compost pits in 2025-26 will enhance eco-friendly waste management. Through the Swarna Andhra Swachha Andhra program, we are promoting cleanliness and sustainability. We are now implementing phase 2 of the Swachha Bharat mission, focusing on sustainable solid and liquid waste management. The monthly Swachha Andhra Day on the third Saturday encourages wide participation in cleanliness drives and awareness programs. Andhra Pradesh is leading the way in transforming waste into wealth through a circular economy in utilizing industrial, electronic and agricultural waste, setting an example for the rest of the country. Drones and Internet of Things are driving efficiency and transparency in administrative responsiveness. With zero tolerance for crime, law and order will be strictly enforced, especially against drugs, to maintain a safe society.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय